guys, today we are opening a Primal Clash blister pack.
Yes, guys, from XY. Let's go. Guys, look at all the pack art.
Ooh,
We have Kyogre. We got Gardevoir.
I picked
Rhydorn? Is that
Aggron.
Aggron, sorry. And this is
Groudon.
Groudon. So which one you want?
I picked this.
Kyogre?
Yeah.
Okay. What's yours?
Aggron.
Aggron. I picked
I want
Oh, which one you want? This one. That's you right there. Okay. And I picked
the
Gardevoir. Is this Gardevoir?
Yes. Mega Gardevoir.
All right, fine.
Gardevoir.
Ready?
Yes.
Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
Me.
Who's gonna? Oh, I win! Gardevoir pack from a Gardevoir. Yeah, high five, high five, high five, high five, high five.
Oh.
Wow, thank you, Jay.
Oh.
Thank you, Jay. All right, energy, guys.
I
Is there an energy? I don't really know. Is there?
I picked a lightning type Pokemon. I picked psychic energy.
Okay, it's a green code, but does that mean anything though? I don't know. We'll see. 1, 2, 3.
Mine's a lightning
Energy.
type Pokemon.
Lightning type Pokemon. What's yours?
Psychic.
Psychic type. And what's yours?
Lightning.
Lightning. I say water.
Train.
It's a silent lab trainer. The next one is another Groudon Spirit Link. And next one, hey, Psychic.
Psychic.
Who did?
Me? That's it.
You said lightning.
Oh.
Treco. Bunnelby. Weedle. Oh, Zigzagoon.
Zigzag.
Shroomish. Oh, Shroom-ish.
Shroom.
Oh, Kingdra reverse foil. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, we got a Excadrill. Non-hollow. Rare, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, guys. There goes Primal Clash XY, guys. Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
See you guys later.